What's up, guys? We're here at Tot Hill Farm. We're very excited, especially me. This is one of my favorite courses I've seen online. Here in the parking lot. Any words, Luke?
Not gay. What does the range consist of?
It's got hay bales as flags. We'll give you a look later, but oh, what a scene!
What scenes we have here? It's bright morning.
One of the most unique clubhouses you ever see, right there. Yep. What are we gonna shoot today?
How far back were you playing?
It's a great
I
question.
think 6,700 is the tips.
Corny.
We'll hope to break 80. If we break 80, it's a good day.
Yeah.
What about you?
I think my goal is definitely, let's go 78. 78. Got the views of the range. Tot Hill. Little touch right here. Their logo. It's gonna be a great day. We're here, first tee. What are you gonna shoot today?
Below 70.
Oh wow, wow.
I think
Talk to me. Talk to me, Hoff.
possibly 64.
Oh my God. It's about to be a great day. First tee.
It's blowing hard. I don't know.
What's the story today?
That's gonna work. Team work.
Friday afternoon.
This guy kills the one-liners. Ooh, that's tasty. That's tasty.
Come on now. Hole one.
Early and often. Early and often.
What's the course record? That's all I need to know.
6-7.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Hit a rock. Go right. Go right. Oh boy. Hit it right. Oh, hit one right. Interesting.
Well,
Coming up on a par three. Number 3. What do we got?
you got the rock.
Oh, where's the hole?
Hides the hole until you go up there.
This is done. That's us.
All right at it.
Your number.
Oh, that'll be a fun chip. Oh, this looks good.
Hell of a golf shot. Go in. Go in. Get expensive.
Woo!
All right.
What's the one-liner for that one?
I said go in. Get expensive.
All right. Nice and smooth.
I know. That's what I wanted it to do. I ripped a fucking skate. Oatmeal. What a fucking golf shot. Ham and egg. You gotta put one down. Buddy, you fucking landed it. One down.
Really? A laser.
Hole number 3 right there. Hole number 4. That's pretty good.
So you've had those shoes in the stable this entire time?
Nah. These were all I got. That's pretty good there.
Giddy up.
Yep. Great layup.
Up all the fall out of the sky. Great shot.
The conditions are very good today. The pollen is horrific. Like horrific. I've never played.
Me and Gabe had to switch my hoodie for his like core zip. Ooh wee! That was hit well. Oh, stayed straight. Oh, it's drifting left. Don't hit the carpet. Okay, it's right. It's fine. Got quite the scene here. Gabe's on the next tee box, going for 3 on par 5. Jim is just off the green. He's gonna have to chip over some rocks. And I am in a bunker, lane 2, about to hit 3. And here is Adam's shots. Go, 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 go. Yeah, she'll play. He said I'm gonna hit high and hope for the best. Okay, solid.
That's pretty sexy, Jim.
Oh, yeah. Come on, go.
Well done.
Draw. Let's try.
Oh, that's fatty. Yeah, I kind of like that though.
That'll bounce.
I think that's good.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh, I'll be good.
Hard.
So what's up, Phil?
What's up, vlog?
Hole
course.
through
Love the
hole
design.
6.
Love
Through
the
hole
design.
6 right now. Currently I'm probably 5 over, 4 over.
I think I'm 2 or 3.
Yep. He's playing way better than he did the other day. Let's just
Yeah.
put it that way. And beautiful course. Weather is not great, but
The pollen
we're very happy.
is
Very
crazy.
happy. Yep.
Big bounce, right?
Good ball.
Nice ball.
Be good, honey. Who just made it too. I did it. Just cleared it, didn't it? No.
What a spot. 80 yards here for the kid. Monster drive. Spin. Oh.
Stop.
Oh, that is so good.
That's Men's Warehouse right there.
I like some of me right there.
What's up, vlog? Going to 19.
Just
Boys
made birdie.
Boys
Just
are
made
coming
birdie.
off some big time birdie putts. Played the whole what? So I went birdie, you went birdie, Jim went birdie. Who's the outlier here?
I think Hoffman.
The Hoffman, yeah. He did not make birdie. All right, well, Holland's kicking our butt. It's starting to get colder, and it's only going to get colder. So we're fighting. Gabe's fighting. Gabe
Feel like-
is definitely fighting.
Feel like Ireland all over again.
Yeah, good
Just
player.
my game
good player
hasn't collapsed.
All right, well, peace.
Center cut.
Jim Furyk.
Center cut. There's my partner. Bring ball. He's back.
What we got here?
That's so good for turkey. Yeah. No way to make another double.
Mid-round update.
Hold your breath. Mid-round update, playing solid. 3 par 5s in the front, so that definitely helped me out. The pollen's hurting. I'm not even allergic to, like, I don't really have a whole lot of allergies and stuff, but this pollen it's getting to me. So it's kind of course where we don't really know where we're going. What?
Wait, we are back there. We're back there.
What? I mean, I guess you.
This dude.
I wasn't wrong. I might tell a joke, but I'll never tell a lie. Oh, that's so good. Nice ball. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Might be on the green. Hole 11, par 3, 170. Oh, he flagged it.
God, that was just so fucking good. Beat your right stick to that. Yeah, good job, Jim.
Yeah, good ball.
Oh, God.
All right, here on hole 12, little peninsula green here, but it's shared with the 10th green. Jim was just in the fairway up there. He thought we were going to the 10th hole.
Yep.
But don't worry, we got him right. Gabe's got a.
Shout out Old Head playing with the big ball.
Yep.
Let's make it.
All right, let's see it. Jim's in there, pretty close. Go, maybe? Not bad, not bad.
so back.
Ooh.
Jim is so fucking back.
Big birdie, big birdie. All right, for par, pink ball.
She's staying with me.
Oh,
wow.
square.
Oh, wow.
Love and war. Tidy. Whitey tidy.
Oh, I'll be the number.
The LPGA Tour is on par. Good shot.
I would hate for that to be the hole-in ball.
Jim's in full form. Turn over.
Yeah. It's gotta get up.
Okay.
Oh, that's gotta sit
Oh, it
down.
got up.
No, I love that.
Oh, it's coming back.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good, right?
This is different. Just not like a course you normally play, right?
For birdie.
Wow.
Oh!
I thought you got the hop.
Be a number. Be a number.
Well done.
Shot.
I want to fold it. Stay on top. Oh yeah, Jim. I was just hoping there was some green back. I was about to say, I thought Jim had the green. Yeah. 130
Jim's close. Gabe's in there, all right. And then you got a waterfall. Careful now. 16.
Green box.
Yep. It's got a slide.
Sit.
I just left the fence. Yeah, we will.
Want his team really to press, as you rightly say, Lee. I think the danger
Current
is
match.
there won't be
Gabe and I were one down.
key areas. Mascara and Doku. Doku went past him 2 or 3 times there. With speed
Got some battling to do. We're fighting.
central gravity.
Weather's been good. Not as much wind. Collins left
City are
the
going to be
left. Huh?
too worried
Nice.
about playing intricate passing when they've got direct.
18. Down 1. Par 5. Ooh, that's spanked. Oh yeah.
Hammered it.
Slotted. $260. That is money. Green side, it's pretty good.
Not bad.
We're here, hole number 18. We got 2 balls on the green. Me and Luke, we're down 1 currently. Mr. Jim is technically in the hole, but not in the hole. And Adam's chipping up here right now. So, yeah, gets down to it. Let's make some putts.
You're gonna make one putt. That's it.
Yep. I'm due.
Come on back down. Yeah. Back down is fine. Too solid. Birdie for the win. For the win. Gotta have it.
Total miss. Never broke.
What's up, vlog? We're here. We forgot to do the outro at the course, so we are not with Adam or Jim anymore. But so for their rounds, I don't know what they said they were going to shoot. I forget. But Jim fired a 76. He shot 36 on the back. They won the bet, one up. Adam made the 5 or 6 footer comebacker. Had some ice in his veins there. He fought today. So Jim shot a 76. Adam shot a little bit higher than that. Gabe, you said you were going to shoot 78? 78 is correct, yeah. You shot at 83. 83, all right. And then I said I was hopefully going to break 80. I shot 76, so I was happy. Gabe, course rating?
Give it an 8-8.
8-8, wow.
Very fun
Good
course.
stuff.
Good experience, and the pace of play was fantastic.
Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, first tee time doesn't hurt. I would say my course rating was, I'll go 8.6. I thought the course, the greens could have been a little bit better shape, but it's hard to have such good condition just because of the way the course is. There's so many slopes and all that. So, but overall, great experience at Tot Hill. Fun course. One of the definitely a course you can play every day. So, Gabe, peace.